buy another one. So
She
many.
need one more.
No good. Yo,
What's up? Hi, good morning guys. I hope that you are doing well. Today we are in Ubud, so it's still 10
10 in the morning. And
then
we is already hungry.
already hungry, and now we are in Kedewatan Ubud. We will go to the one a special warung nasi. It's famous. Many people like it. It is called Warung Nasi Ayam Kedewatan. Let's see how famous it is and how yummy it is. Wow. And as you see from the parking, you see already full of many cars.
All these cars park over here they are for this restaurant. Okay, let's see how is it inside. Healthy first, healthy first.
Look at this one. This is typical Balinese house. So Nasi Ayam Kedewatan restaurant. Actually, they open like the small warung there, and then the sitting area is just like inside the Balinese house. Like in my house, in my kampung house, this is called Bali Gede. As you see, this one, Bali Gede, especially building that for doing ceremonies or doing many great only for Balinese meetings. They sit here. Very clean. And look at Damian where he is. Oopsie. Your favorite kerupuk.
Honey, thank you.
Look at the house. Simple Balinese house. And then, as I told you, this special building for the ceremony meetings or something, it's called Bali Gede. And this one is special for the family temple. I have this kind of temple also in my home in Tabanan. And then they also have in many places. Look at this. Alright, this is my food. My mouth already watering. So, portion of nasi. And this one is the sate lilit. Special sate. You make it from the meat. Chicken, pork, or something like that. Oh my god, so good. And then this one is called sayur urap, made of the kacang panjang, long bean, and the coconut. And then this one with the chicken, shred chicken, right?
So good, yeah.
And this one, peanut also. Almost all food in Bali with the peanut, and then some the skin. And the most yummy thing, this sambal. Chili, so good.
Smacznego, honey.
And boiled egg.
Smacznego.
Dziękuję. Very nice. Oh, until inside. It's very big house.
Jadi jatuh ke kuahnya deh.
Oh, they have a small pond. Actually, look at the beautiful fish. This is a Balinese, very nice Balinese house. Until here at the back. Very nice house.
Okay, one more shot with nasi, with rice. Winnie always happy soul food, right?
Because for me, food is blessing. You have to appreciate it.
Yes. Very important.
I know. All right. So after I have a big breakfast,
Oh, very huge breakfast.
I feel like I need to have a walk. So now we are in Ubud Center. As you see, yeah, this is the what is it?
The palace. We're gonna go to the traditional market,
Yeah.
see how is it, maybe buy something, maybe not, we will see.
Yeah.
However, yeah, let's see.
And also, maybe I will do some interviews with the local about what they hope for 2021.
Yeah, let's
So,
let's
let's
check
see.
this out.
So now I am in Ubud Traditional Market and I decided to buy one earrings for me. And then I decided to buy this one. Oh, nice. So how much is it, Bli?
This one 50,000.
Mm-hmm. Wow, so nice. It's very cheap price.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so I decided to buy this one. And then let's do some little bit interview with this guy, with Bli.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name, Bli?
Murah.
Ngurah. Okay, Bli Ngurah. So I just wanna ask you, what do you hope for 2021? Tapi apa harapannya Bli tahun
Ya.
2021?
Ya, pengen seperti semula.
Kembali seperti semula ya, normal.
Normal, banyak tamu.
Banyak tamu yang datang ke Ubud belanja ya Bli ya.
Ya.
Okay, so well, so this is short interview with him. So I just asked, what do you hope for 2021? He just hope 2021 will be back to normal. So I support him. I bought this one. It's just cost 50k. So yeah, he just hope that 2021 will be back to normal. Will be many tourists come to Bali. I know that so many sellers miss you guys and want you to come to Bali and visit them. So yeah, this is how it is in Ubud Traditional Market. So how it is nowadays, it is PSBB or like social activities limited in Ubud. Also, what time your shop open, Bli?
Ya, 9.
9 and then close
Close, ya, 5.
5. So they open at 9 in the morning and close at 5. So this is how it is. All right, so this guy helped me to put the mirror, and then let's see this one. I bought new earring. Isn't that so cute? I love it. So 50k only. Thank you for that. Matur sama Bli.
Yeah.
Bye. Well, actually I'm too big, so I feel shy. Okay. Gantian kerja nih kita cantik kali. This one.
How about this one?
Skirt.
Oh, nice.
Nice, right? Ada status nih. Terus
Ini harus.
nggih. Ups. Ibu, what do you hope in 2021? Apa harapannya Ibu pada tahun 2021, Bu?
Harapan yang pang boleh yang menggarus sayang niki semoga lancar.
Ekonomi kembali pulih nggak, Bu? Nggih.
Nggih,
Iya.
pang boleh nggih.
Nggih, sama Ibu.
Nggih, muwali.
Alright, so I decided to buy one skirt. Actually, she offered me around 120, so I just cannot bargain. So I got 110. So she said like, Ibu buy me for garus. Garus means like, you know, you bought something for the first time to make a better luck. And then I asked her, so what do you hope for 2021? She said she just want the economy in Bali coming back to normal. And yeah, everything is just like back to normal and many tourists coming to Bali. Buy another one. So
She
many.
need one more.
No good.
So I will try the earring. This is what I love shopping in Ubud. So I could try anything that I want.
Gelas shopping katanya.
Yeah, shopping.
Hijau menang.
Main kecarian muka, Pak.
Oh, nice.
All right, I've got another earring shop. I really like earrings, so I think I will buy it. What do you think, guys? It's nice. Okay. Kuda nih, Pak.
Okay.
What's your name, Pak?
My name Nyoman John.
Nyoman John. His name is Nyoman John. So what do you hope in 2021?
I hope
Tapi apa harapannya, Pak? Bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa, Pak?
Harapan saya biar cepet coronanya hilang,
Ya.
bisnis
Kembali
sukses,
normal.
kembali lagi hidupnya lebih baik dari sekarang. Gitu. I hope so everything be alright.
Change for better, yeah.
Yeah, sayang for better,
Right.
healthy,
Healthy.
family good.
Family good.
Yeah.
And always smile. That's the
Always
most important.
well.
All right,
Yeah,
this is
thank
how
you,
I like
thank you.
shopping in the Ubud market, and then I just translate what he's saying. He just hope like all economy back to normal, and then stay healthy. So yeah, all is back to normal and everything good. All right,
Everything is okay.
yeah, so good. And I buy this one. So guys, whenever you come to Ubud, just go to Pak Nyoman
Yeah,
shopping
I hope
here.
so.
Good price ya Pak ya?
Yes, I hope to.
Matur suksema.
All right, check this out. Winnie new earrings. She's so proud of it.
This is 100k, and I said to Bapak because before said, Ibu 125, no 100k. So this is my style of bargaining. I know this is the economy like this, but still I try to support the
Local community as always. So that's how it look. Luckily we got interview with 3 people. So
This is how economic in Ubud especially.
and this is what they wish to change. I think like everyone everywhere around the world. So I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope
And
so you
then comment
enjoyed.
below if you wanna have a shopping with Winnie. I will take you to shopping, and then we will shop crazy like me, right? Alright, so I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching from
And
Ubud, and see you tomorrow.
see you tomorrow, guys. See ya.
Bye.